Okay, guys, I am here. Barely, but I'm here. And I do have some more good stuff to show you tonight. Let me just grab my, um, make sure that we're live. And it looks like my sound is on, so we're good there. Give you guys a couple seconds to pop on. So tonight it's another version of Celebration. So tonight I'm going to show you some ideas with beautifully penned designer paper. That's one of the free items that you can get during Celebration, which, by the way, is 7 days left. There are 7 days left. I also want to let you know that when you place an order for me, you will get the last two packets. So the first two people to grab this, the last two packets from my class this month, 3 projects, and I'll give you the video link to create those, and a pack of new embellishments and a pack of retired embellishments. So making it sweetening the deal. Don't forget, that's if you place a $50 order, you will earn a free Celebration item and you will get those items from me. Now those packets are only till while supplies last, but the embellishments will be, of course, for everybody who places a $50 order or more in the next week before the end of Celebration. Okay? So let's pop over here. I'm keeping this short and sweet, guys, so that I'm not holding you up, but I want to make sure that you don't miss all the fun stuff. So tonight I'm going to show you a few things that I've been playing with, casing, all that good stuff. So here's one. Well, first let me show you the paper in case you aren't familiar with it. It is grayscale. It is, I think there are 6 designs. So there's one. Here's the other side of that. Here's 2. I should have had this ready. There's the second one. And then here is the third one. But I don't have another piece to that. Let me find the other side. That's the striped one. And I think I used a lot of that. Here we go. Here's the other side. So this is the other side of that one. So there's a whiter side and then there's a grayer side. All right. So it doesn't seem like a lot, but wait till I show you how versatile it is. Like this one, we colored what was left from the very gray one and sponged some of the Coastal Cabana on it. And then, of course, colored in the flower. And I am using the stamp set that coordinates with it. We also have hand-penned flowers as a designer paper that's all printed. Thank you. And it has a lot of colors on it, but this one is all black and white. And so anyways, I decided to go ahead and coordinate. A lot of my samples will have this and use some of the dies that are coordinated with that bundle. Okay. So there's one. Let's see, here's another one. I don't know who I can give credit for the original, like, sort of layout of this. Of course, I changed some things. For this one, I took a piece of old washi tape and I actually stuck it to my clothing a little bit to get it less sticky. And then I laid it down here and I stamped the stamp over top of it so that it would not ink on the center there. Hey, Barbara, thanks for joining me. That way I was able to just stamp my saying right in there. And then these are some of our, yeah, I can't remember what they're called because I don't use them that often, but they coordinated beautifully with this card. And yeah, I apologize. I didn't bring those in here with me. Then this one looks a little busy on the background. I took that wavy looking one and I actually stamped the sort of a dandelion looking, not the dandelion, the Queen Anne's lace stamp over it just to create a different background. And so I thought, there's a lot of possibilities with that and with the white polka dot that you could stamp other designs on that and create more designer paper. This is all one embossing folder right here. And this little scallop piece is from Color and Contour dies. And I'm going to be using those on another one here. This one is a similar style. So this is sort of cut at an angle, but I didn't die cut these. I hand cut these little flowers out of the paper and just popped them on here with some gilded gems, and just added my saying on top of here. And then this one is in gray granite, and it actually, I think, looks really nice. I colored it with gray granite and some smoky slate. So you can see that the gray in here, it can go with black, it can go with gray, it even goes with gray granite. So it's pretty versatile. And I did some embossing up here in the little piece here. And yeah, so quick and easy. Most of these, let's see, Tosh just did this one for me with some pieces I had laying there. I'm like, here, Tosh, make something of this. So she took some of our ribbon and she embossed this. It's a little bit curly yet, just because it just got heated, but cute. And then last but not least, I think this design came from Kylie Bertucci. The pattern didn't come from her. I don't know where, well, I don't know that for sure. It's been around a while. But this pattern, this sort of layout came from her, and I thought it was really cute. So I'm going to show you how to do this real quick. It's got a little belly band on it, and then the card opens like this. And I've also seen it open this way. I think I did a Christmas card last year that opened this direction. So sort of nice. It can go either direction. And so to do this card, you need a piece that's 11 inches long. So you can only get one out of these per sheet of cardstock, 11 by 5.5. All right, and we're going to score that. Let me get down here where you can see, at 1 3/4, 5.5, and 9 3/4. I think that's right. And then and those directions will show you exactly what you need to do, because this side gets folded in, this side folds in and back, and voila. Okay, let me grab the bone folder here and we'll get those edges, make sure that they're laying nice. This one looks crooked for some reason. Not sure why. Is it? Or is it just my imagination? Maybe it's just my imagination. And then, okay. Now, the pieces for it. This one is 3.5, so that's the widest piece. It goes on the widest part. The next size is 1.5. And that goes on the next widest part. And then this one's the smallest. And this is 1 1/4 inches. So this piece is 1 inch. So everything's down 1/4 of an inch. I mean, yeah, 1/4 of an inch for the size that it's on. So, and then this strip is just an 11 inch by 1 inch strip for the belly band. And you just wrap that around your card. And of course, I used this from Color and Contour. It's the largest of the dies in that set, and that's my inside. So I hope that's helpful and not too fast. And Tosh colored this for me, and I believe we stamped this in Memento, and she used blends to color this. I love the colors that she used in that. So yeah, so thanks for joining me. Don't forget, for those of you that aren't my demonstrators, when you place an order using the hostess code that's shown right up here at the top of my screen on my page, stampincindy.stampinup.net, you will get, for a $50 order, you get a free celebration item, which can be any of the ones that I've shown you this week. And I'll be showing you more the rest of the week. I have so many more ideas, and I've just been stamping my heart out trying to get things ready to show you. And then you will get, the first 2 people will get my cards for the class in the mail, and they will get a free embellishment from the current catalogs and a free embellishment from the retired my retired stash. Okay, thanks for joining me. Take care. God bless.